If we go to settings and work our way through the different pages, on the general page again you can see the site title and tagline that was also editable in the customizer. You can see the current website address that the actual WordPress install's installed on, the email address of the administrator. Anyone can register. It's advisable to have this turned off unless you're running a store where you need people to actually log in. This is a security sort of focused thing where by preventing people from registering, you're keeping your website generally safer. You can see the site language, time zone, date format, time format, and when the week starts on. If we go to the next page, writing, you'll see here post via email settings if you want to actually publish articles from email. Also default category, there's only one at the moment, and default post format. If we go to reading, here you'll see we can assign whether the home page just shows a list of the latest blog posts in reverse chronological order, or whether we assign a static page and choose a home page like home and then a blog post page, like something else. So you've got two pages assigned to those purposes then, instead of having the blog style home page. Number of blog posts to display per page, number of blog posts to add to the feed, whether to include the full content in the actual feed or just the summary. And then search engine visibility. This allows you to hide the website from search engines and no index every page. This is good when you're building a website or redesigning a website on a temporary domain and you don't want Google to notice it. Go to discussion. These are settings related to the comments, so you can fine tune how comments work. Media. This allows us to choose our default image sizes. When you upload a large image to WordPress, it will create 3 copies of it at different sizes. This allows you to add more relevant sizes to your content and speed up the loading times rather than having a very large image when you don't really need one for that purpose. If we go to permalinks, you'll see that we can set different type of permalink structures. The most common and popular one is to have post name. That's clean and SEO friendly, unlike the plain version at the top, which just puts p = number, which means nothing to anyone. You can also choose the category and tag base. These are the parts of the permalink before the name of the category or the name of the tag. Under privacy, you'll see we can assign which page on the website is the privacy policy for this site. And you can create a new page and also go through their guide to get tips on how to make your privacy policy professional and thorough.